Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your funds between Binance and Exness. While direct integration isn't a feature, you can effectively move assets. We'll focus on transferring cryptocurrency, a common and efficient method. It's crucial to have both your Binance and Exness accounts fully verified beforehand. Always exercise caution and double-check all details, especially wallet addresses, to ensure your funds reach the correct destination without issues. To begin, log into your Binance account and access your spot wallet. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to transfer, like USD or Bitcoin. Proceed to initiate a withdrawal, carefully selecting the correct network that matches your Exness deposit method. Be mindful of the withdrawal amount and any small transaction fees that Binance may apply, typically a fraction of a percent, before confirming your request. Next, log into your Exness account and navigate to the deposit area. Select cryptocurrency as your preferred deposit method, ensuring you choose the identical coin you're sending from Binance. Exness will then provide a unique deposit wallet address. Carefully copy this address and paste it precisely into the withdrawal address field on your Binance platform. This step is critical for a successful transfer. For a smooth transfer, always ensure the chosen network on Binance perfectly matches the deposit network on Exness. Be mindful of any minimum deposit or withdrawal limits set by either platform, which can vary. Transaction times are usually quick, often completing within 5 to 30 minutes, but can sometimes take up to an hour. If any issues arise, contact the customer support teams of both Binance and Exness without delay for assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.